Hello students, today we will discuss chapter number 6, that is combustion and flame. The topic name is zones of a candle flame. So firstly, candle, as we know that it is made up of a paraffin wax that consists of the higher percentage of the carbon. Okay, so and how does that candle works? There is a paraffin wax that vaporizes and also burns on heating and gives out a flame. So three major zones of candle flame are there, that is innermost zone, middle zone and outermost zone. Okay, so firstly let us discuss about the first innermost zone, that is I've shown in the figure, and that appears black in color. That dark shaded portion is the innermost zone of the candle. This second layer is the second zone, middle zone of the candle, and third one is the outermost zone of the candle. Okay, so let us discuss about the innermost zone of the candle. So this zone lacks oxygen. Because of lack of oxygen, no combustion or lack of combustion will be there, least combustion will be there. Due to lack of oxygen, least combustion or no combustion will takes place in this portion, that is in innermost zone. So that's why it appears black, and also it contains unburnt wax vapors. Okay, and how we will get to know that this part contains unburnt wax vapors? Simply take a straw, metallic straw, and keep this, for example this pen is a metallic straw, and keep this that mouth part in the innermost zone. Okay, so at the other end you will feel here vapors will be there. How you will get to know that? Just take a matchstick and blow it at this part of the straw. Okay, and you can see a little flame will be there because of these unburnt particles at that end of the straw. Okay, so that's why we can say that it contains unburnt wax vapors. Okay, and also this is the least hot part of the candle flame. Okay, this is the least hot part of the candle flame. Next, second is middle zone. This part I have labeled here, second layer is called the middle zone, and this at this part partial combustion takes place. Okay, in this zone there is not enough air for complete burning of the wax vapors. So the partial or incomplete combustion, you can say that, can takes place in this part of the candle flame, and the wax vapors produces carbon particles and carbon monoxide. Okay, so the unburnt carbon particles becomes hot and emit yellow light. Okay, these unburnt particles become hot and emit yellow light. That's why this is luminous zone. Luminous means light giving zone, जो light देती है, येलो कलर की लाइट दे रही है ये सेंटर वाला, एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द कैंडल फ्लेम, मेजर पार्ट होता है ये कैंडल फ्लेम का. ओके, so this is moderately hot due to partial combustion. Okay, so we can say that these carbon particles then leaves, these unburnt carbon particles then leaves the flame and smoke as a smoke and soot particles. So the middle zone of a flame is moderately hot. This zone is the major part of the candle flame, I have told you already. Okay, so for this purpose one activity is also given there, that how we can check that unburnt carbon particles are there in middle zone. Simply take a iron scale and keep this above the innermost zone. So you have to keep it in the middle zone, जो yellow part होता है, that luminous part. You have to keep the iron scale like this in the middle zone, and after some time you will observe the black spot over there on the iron scale. This is because of unburnt carbon particles. Okay, दिस एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो यू कैन परफॉर्म एट होम. सिंपली कैंडल लो, उसका जो ल्यूमिनस जो येलो वाला पार्ट है, मेजर पार्ट होता है, उसमें आयरन स्केल रखो और या कोई भी आयरन की मेटेलिक स्ट्रिप ले सकते हो कोई भी, तो वहाँ पे रखो आप, तो वो पार्ट क्या है, ब्लैक कलर का हो जाएगा. ओके, दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ अनबर्नड कार्बन पार्टिकल्स. आई हैव रिटन देयर ना, अनबर्नड कार्बन पार्टिकल्स. दिस इज कार्बन. Okay, so next is outermost zone that I've shown in the figure. That outermost zone of the candle flame is here I've represented. So plenty of air is there, so complete combustion will take place. बहुत सारी ऑक्सीजन है वहाँ पे, so complete combustion will take place in the outermost zone. Okay, because of plenty of air. So wax vapors will completely burnt in this part, so that's why it is the hottest part of the candle flame. It is the hottest part. Okay, so complete combustion takes place, plenty of air is there, hottest zone hai, and it produce carbon dioxide plus water vapors. Because complete combustion is there, due to complete combustion carbon dioxide and water vapors will produce. Okay, and also this is non-luminous. Luminous, ye luminous thi middle zone. Why? Because of carbon particles become hot and emit yellow light. That's why its color is yellow. But here unburnt carbon particles are not there, so that's why it is non-luminous zone. And this is a thin part of the candle flame. ज़्यादा हिस्सा नहीं होता ये. Mostly part is covered by the middle zone. Okay, and this is the outermost part and is the hottest zone. Okay, we have read about the goldsmith, that goldsmith blows the outermost zone of the candle flame. Okay, वो क्यों यूज़ करता है, goldsmith होता है जो, because this is the hottest part of the candle flame, that's why. Okay, so one more zone is there that I think is not given there in your book, that is blue zone. Okay, so what is blue zone? At the base of the wick, this is wick. Wick क्या होती है, उसकी कॉटन का जो थ्रेड होता है कैंडल के अंदर, that is called wick. So at the base of the wick there is a oxygen rich region. Oxygen rich region होता है यहाँ पे, where carbon monoxide burns with blue color. कौन सा कलर देता है ये, blue color. Here blue color will be there. So this region of flame is known as the blue zone. Okay, so we have done with the zones of the candle flame. I hope you all have understood the topic. Okay class, thank you.